Did Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi bury Darth Maul's body after their duel on Tatooine? You would probably think that Obi-Wan would bury Maul's body as he was literally surrounded by sand, but in a From a Certain Point of View book, there was actually an answer. In the book, Obi-Wan recalls burying Maul's body after their rather quick duel on Tatooine. I would think Obi-Wan was the type to respect life as well as respect his long life enemy. Also, if Jabba the Hutt's thugs found a body near the Lars homestead, they would have to pay a murder tax as that's one of the rules Jabba placed.